morning, YouTube. It's your girl Imani here. Thank you for coming back to my channel. It is Monday morning. I am packing up my bag for lunch, and I just wanted to give you guys an insight on what I eat throughout the week in order to lose weight. I am trying to lose just a little bit of weight before I go on vacation, but I also want to make sure that I keep the weight off and then just keep maintaining from there. So these are the things that I eat, and I'm going to get into it throughout the day, more or less from Monday through Friday. I am a full-time working mom. I work from like 8:30 to 4:30, and I work a really fast-paced job that makes it kind of hard to eat like full, you know, big meals. And I just need stuff that, one, I want to make because I'm not the biggest cook in the world, and I don't want to spend all day long meal prepping. I want things that, you know, taste good, because if it doesn't taste good, I'm not going to want to continue to eat it. Of course, you want it to be healthy, so I try to pick stuff that I know what the ingredients are, or that have proved that it is healthy for me to lose weight. This is actually something that I eat on a normal, like when I'm trying to maintain weight. I have just tweaked like one meal, so that way I'm cutting back some calories. Usually when I'm maintaining, I personally eat about 2,000, maybe a little more than that, 2,000 calories per day. And on this plan, I cut back maybe like 400 calories out of that, maybe like 300 to 400 calories out of that, and then I just go really hard trying to burn calories as well during this time. This is not a plan that you will lose weight in a week, so if that is the kind of video you're looking for, see you later. But if you are looking to lose weight over a course of time and keep it off, and you know, something that you might enjoy eating if you like the foods that I eat, then definitely stick around. I would like to show you guys what I eat to lose weight. Before we get into that, thank you guys. We are halfway to our goal of 5,000 subscribers, so please keep subscribing for more videos. Like this video if you like this video. Comment below any questions or concerns. Share this video so other people can watch. And of course, subscribe. When we get to 5,000 subscribers, I will start posting my gym workout routines so you guys see what I do in the gym. Alright? So without further ado, let's go. The only thing that I switch up about my routine is my breakfast. So when I'm trying to lose weight, this is actually like the easiest meal for me. I actually just have some of this. Let me get a little. And I showed this to you guys in my supplement video, the supplements that I take. I take 1 scoop of this. It is the Gourmet Vanilla Milkshake Protein Shake. I take 1 scoop of it, which is 160 calories. And I just mix that up with some water, about 8 ounces of water, and I call it a day. I also have a banana to go with it. And that's about it. It's actually a lot more filling than it sounds. This is actually can be used as a meal replacement, so it is very filling, but it knocks back on a lot of the calories that I take in the morning. Usually what I eat is, on top of this, I'll also have a slice of like whole grain toast with avocado and an egg, so that cuts back on a few calories. And sometimes I'll also have like yogurt and all this other stuff. So instead of my breakfast being like 400 calories, it's now like 180. Again, like I said, I work a fast-paced job. It's hard for me to like take a break to have a snack, but when I do, I take this, and let me get a little closer. The Nature Valley Crunch, the oats and honey. I eat, it's super quick, it's really good, it tastes really good too. It is 190 calories. I take this and I drink it with like 24 ounces of water, and I'm full for quite a few hours. So I usually have this as like my morning snack, and I'll have it maybe like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours after I have this. So I'm actually about to have some of this probably in like 10 minutes. It is now like 8:05, and then I'll have this around 10 o'clock, 10:30 or so. Lunchtime is a little different every day, but for the most part, 3 times out of the week, 3 lunches out of the week, I have tuna. I have tuna that I put into this little pouch here that, yes, that has my name on it, because, you know, gotta put your name on it when you put it into a fridge that everybody shares. You don't want anybody to take your stuff. But I really just have this tuna, which is Star-Kissed tuna. I get it from like peapod.com. That's where I order my groceries from for the most part. And they get it through Stop and Shop. So if you have a Stop and Shop or wherever, everybody for the most part sells Star-Kissed tuna. And I have about 4 cans of tuna in this big old bowl. It's not really that big. And I also throw in some mayonnaise. Yes, don't kill me. I like mayonnaise. I've tried alternatives like putting avocado in it and I don't like it. So I'm going to eat it. I'm going to eat mayonnaise. I have lost weight before with tuna and it works for me. So I throw in like 2 tablespoons of tuna with the 4 cans of, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise with the 4 cans of tuna. I throw in 3 hard-boiled eggs that I chop up and like 2 tablespoons of relish for a little bit of like sweetness taste in there, and it lasts me, and I'd say like 3 lunches, like I said, because I fill up this little bowl pretty full because I don't want to feel like I'm hungry after I eat lunch, which then can cause me personally, I know myself, to then want to binge. So I want to feel full, so I fill it up pretty halfway. Pretty much to the top. And then if I'm still hungry, you know, sometimes I'll add like a little bit of chicken. I'll go get like some grilled chicken, or even sometimes I get like a small piece of fried chicken. It doesn't hurt, at least not me, so long as I don't overdo it. If I'm feeling a little hungry after that, the point is you don't want to feel hungry so that you don't binge later on. So that's usually what I have for lunch 3 times out of the week. I'll explain what I eat the other 2 days out of the week in a little bit. Second snack, which I don't have right now, I actually have to go to the supermarket by my job to go get some, is an avocado. I'll cut up half an avocado, I'll throw a little bit of hot sauce on it. You're welcome. Hot sauce on avocado is like, you'll never have anything better than that. But I'll throw a little bit of hot sauce on it for taste, and I'll just eat it straight like that, which is like great for fat, and it's super filling, super healthy fat. And you need that healthy fat in order to burn fat off of your body. And usually when people want to lose weight, what they're really talking about is losing fat. Okay, so that is my second snack throughout the day. Midway through lunch and dinner, I'll have that avocado. I am at all feeling hungry in between any of those meals. I tend to have some Special K, and my favorite brand is the fruit and yogurt. I really just have like a handful or 2 because you can get really carried away with cereal, especially this. I love the taste of this. You can get really carried away with it and end up eating a lot more calories than you need to. But for the most part, if I eat about a handful, it's about 120 calories or so. And that keeps me feeling full, again, with a lot of water. And my dinners tend to be around the same every week because I personally don't get tired of certain things when I really enjoy them. I also try to cook things that I know that my son AJ is going to eat, because he's 3 years old, and if anybody has a child, especially a toddler, you know how picky they are. So I aim for things that he will eat, so that I'm not cooking up a million meals, because that's not the kind of house that we live in. I'm making 1 meal for dinner that we're both going to enjoy, that is healthy, and that I can take to lunch with me the next day, which will then help with those additional 2 days out of the week for my lunch. So with that being said, I tend to eat these chicken quarters. So they're pretty huge. It's 4 chicken leg quarters, the chicken and the thigh. No, I don't tend to eat chicken breast because that's just something that I'm not super fond of, and I only like chicken breast when it first, like as soon as somebody finishes cooking it. And if I have to take that with me for leftovers, I'm more than likely not going to eat it, and then I'm going to buy something that might not be too healthy for me. I like dark meat. Sue me, I like dark meat. Dark meat is not going to kill you, but of course chicken breast is more healthy. but I do make a little bit of sacrifices because I want to eat. I want to eat what I enjoy. So we do have these chicken leg quarters, and AJ and I will split it. He'll have the leg, I'll have the thigh for dinner, and then I'll make like a lot of veggies for the most part. I'll make like broccoli or string beans, sometimes like carrots, depending on our mood, and a sweet potato. The sweet potato I tend to only have if I'm in the mood to like carb cycle, which I will talk about in another video. But pretty much, you know, just high carbs one day, low carbs another day. So if it's a high carb day, I'll have the sweet potato with him. But if it's a low carb day, I'll just have the chicken and veggies. And then I take leftovers for lunch for the additional 2 days. If I'm like tired of chicken, I will make salmon instead. I have a little bamboo steamer because, you know, we fancy in here. I have the little bamboo steamer, which I will throw the salmon into with some veggies, and that is what we will have for dinner. AJ actually really loves salmon, so that is another dinner that I found that works for both of us, and, you know, my health needs too. So, you know, what I eat, he eats. You know, I try to keep him on a healthy track too. And that is our dinner, and that is what I will take for the additional 2 days that I don't have my tuna with me, on those days that I don't have that. So that is pretty much what I eat throughout the week. If I feel like switching it up and like it's getting kind of stale, I will get some chicken breast, chop it up and make a stir fry with some veggies, maybe like a tiny bit of rice, because I really only like white rice, which is bad for you. Well, not bad for you, but, you know, it's not as great as brown rice, but I'm not a brown rice fan. So I'll just put a tiny bit of white rice in there, stir fry that up with some rice, veggies, and chicken, and that is what we'll have for our dinner. And then I'll take that with me for leftovers, just so I'm not getting too bored, too stale. So that is pretty much what I have to help me lose weight. Again, I really only changed the breakfast aspect of it, just to get rid of a few calories. And of course, during this time, I am taking my supplements. I am taking an additional fat burner on top of my supplements that I showed you guys in a previous video, which I will do another video on at a different date. And I am working out consistently, at least 4 to 5 times a week. I add in extra cardio, not too much to help me lose muscle, but just enough to burn that fat, to get me into the fat burning mode. And I'm also cooking with more coconut oil. This is what I use right now, just some coconut oil spray, because the benefits of coconut oil when you're cooking is, you know, weight loss. So that is what I do to help me lose weight, gradually, of course, not overnight, but definitely within a month or two. You know, I see those results, not just on a scale, but, you know, in pictures and in the mirror. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys stuck around to the end of this video. If you have any questions, like I said, questions, comments, concern, please shoot it in the comment box below. Like this video if you like this video. If you want more videos like this, share this video to anybody who is looking to lose weight in a healthy way, delicious way, and not put the weight back on. And of course, subscribe for more videos, so you see more videos coming up. Anything else? Not even sure. I keep looking at the clock because I need to head to work in about like 10 minutes. So let me go change and get to work. Other than that, I will see you guys for my next video. Bye. Use these 3 supplements no matter what I'm trying to do, whether I am trying to lose weight, gain weight, or maintain. And